I'm David Lee Miller with your Fox Health Fix. The FDA approved the world's smallest pacemaker that attaches directly to the heart. Older pacemakers are implanted under the skin and connect to the organ through a system of wires that can sometimes malfunction. The inch-long device delivers electric pulses to the heart to help it beat regularly. The World Health Organization says worldwide cases of diabetes have increased fourfold over 25 years. Obesity, aging, and population growth are being blamed for the dramatic uptick. The biggest increase of the disease was seen in Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. A California lawmaker is pushing for supervised heroin use. Assemblywoman Susan Talamantes-Eggman wants to make it legal for addicts to use heroin, crack, and other drugs at supervised facilities. She believes the effort can cut down on overdoses, HIV, and hepatitis C cases. But opponents of the measure say it will only worsen addiction. Seattle and New York are among some of the cities that are already weighing ordinances to set up similar facilities. For more information on these stories and all the latest health news, visit foxnewshealth.com. I'm David Lee Miller, Fox News.